ask that if Shias who believe in 12 Imams, are they Muslims?
First of all, we do not judge people by their affiliation. So those who believe in the 12 Imams among the Ithna Ashariya or the Imamiyya, and they're usually known as al-Rafida. Some call them al-Ja'fariyya, and this is when referring to the fiqh. We don't paint them with the same brush until we listen to what takes them out of the fold of Islam. Someone just saying that I am from this cult or sect, not necessarily he is a kafir. Most likely he is, if he knows their beliefs. So if they, who believe in the 12 Imams, believe that they are better than the prophets and lower than the messengers, as one of their Ayatullah said in his book, Al-Khilafatul Islamiyya, he said that our Imams are on a higher level than the prophets and below the messengers. If they slander Mother Aisha, whom Allah has exonerated her and purified her and stated clearly in the Quran that she is not sinful or she did not commit any sin or adulterous acts, and they say, no, she is. If they curse Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the vast majority of companions, we have no doubt that these are disbelievers. We don't even say Assalamu alaikum to them. We don't eat the meat they slaughter. We cannot marry from their women folk because they're not Muslims at all. If they're laymen, they say nothing about Aisha or Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the likes. They don't insult the Quran and say, no, there is a missing surah stating that Ali is the Khalifa, as these Rafida do. If they don't say this, then we don't say that they're kafir, and I hope this makes sense.